The actual printing, as I said, material deposition is nothing new. So traditional is screen or stencil printing, not screen printing, for solder paste and adhesives. What we at Mycronic focus on is needle dispensing, or contact dispensing is what I call this, and then non-contact dispensing, where you're imposing impulse into the fluid and then it's punching it out onto the surface. So we focus this. Any of those of you that have not used dispensing, it's can be very accurate and produce fine lines you're using a capillary needle with a small outlet, pushing fluid through pressure, a Archimedean screw, or a pressure positive displacement screw, pushing fluid out of the nozzle. Your needle is very close to the surface. If you're doing small lines, you can say essentially kind of rule of thumb is half the line width or something like that. Onto the surface, and you have to follow that surface very closely to get even line width everywhere. That works pretty well. This is a movie of dispensing 100 micron lines of liquid metal within that Syntec project. This isn't bad. Together with XTPL, who is showing here, we've done down to 15 micron lines. There are all kinds of issues with reliability and how this will actually industrialize, but you can do it.